Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ranjit Pawar, holding today's video over the topic of basic concepts of DBMS. Today, the success of an organization depends upon its ability to acquire accurate and timely data and to manage and analyze this data effectively. DBMS means Database Management System. As the name suggests, the database management system consists of two parts. These are database and second one, that is management system. In this video, we will see the basic concepts of database. Learning outcome is to understand the basic concept of database. At the end of this topic, you will be able to learn terms like data, information, database, and DBMS. We will see examples of DBMS, that are the software packages used as DBMS. Then applications of DBMS, the areas where we can use DBMS for storing and accessing data efficiently and effectively. What is database? To find out what database is, we have to start from data, which is the basic building block of any DBMS. Data. What exactly means data? Data is nothing but the facts and figures that can be recorded about a real-world object. Data can be any name, age of a person, telephone number, address, etc. And the real-world objects are like pen, pencil, book, cell phone, and the facts about these objects are nothing but a data. In a given example, roll number 1, student name as Rajvardhan, and marks 92. All these are data, and these are record of other 3 students. So data is a raw fact which is not processed. Then what is information? Is data and information same? Information is processed data on which decisions and actions are based. Information can be defined as the organized and classified data to provide meaningful values. For example, the list of top 3 students, list of students whose names start with the R, this is called a processed data. Then, how can we define database? Database is a collection of related data. So, related data is important here. Suppose data like age of person, that is 25 years, light bill, that is 250 rupees, and the book author, that is William Stallings. These all are data but not related data. There is no relation among each other, so we cannot create database of it. Let's say person's data containing person's name, gender, height, weight, age, etc. are the attributes of the person. These all are related data, so we can create a database of person's data. The next term is DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. There are two parts, database and management system. Database is a collection of data and management system is a set of programs to manage those data. The primary goal of DBMS is to provide efficient and convenient way to store and retrieve database information. So the formal definition of DBMS is a collection of related data and a set of programs to store and manage the data so that it can be accessed easily and efficiently. DBMS provides us a software interface or tool to perform various operations like creating database, storing data, updating data, and lot more. Here are some examples of a popular DBMS. So, the Oracle database, MySQL, MongoDB, SQL Server, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Microsoft Access, IBM DB2. For Android database, we use SQLite, then Microsoft Foxflow and DBase. These two are the old versions of DBMS. As we know that DBMS is a computerized record keeping system. It is a repository or a container for collection of computerized data files. Some of the major areas of the applications are as follows. Banking systems. DBMS are used to maintain customer details, loan accounts, and the banking transactions. In telecom, it keeps the record of calls, generates the bills, and it maintains the information about communication networks. In airlines, it maintains information about the reservations and schedule information. Online shopping keeps the information about sales, customers, and products. In educational institutes, it maintains the record of students, courses, their registrations, and grades. So at last, what we covered in this video, that is data and information. So data is facts about the real world object, and information is nothing but the process data. Then database is a collection of related data. DBMS, this is nothing but database plus management system. Then we have seen some examples of DBMS and where we can apply DBMS in different areas. Thank you.